Sunday.
This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of heating and HVAC testing equipment, biggest selection and best pricing on the internet, create a free login to see best pricing once logged in. Link in description below.
Afternoon, I'm gonna do a big cook here. One of my 60-quart pans here. I got a bunch of chicken. It's all cut up in pieces and stuff, and it was in the freezer, so I'm gonna use this. I mean, there's a lot of chicken there, so I'm gonna use all that chicken. All right, so what I got going on here is I got some couple of boxes of rice pilaf. I can throw that in at the end if I want. Got 6 cans of stewed tomatoes, a couple of cans of black beans, some kidney beans, pink beans, and white hominy. And what do I got here? I got broccoli, cauliflower. I'm going to cut all this stuff up. Cabbage, red and green cabbage, carrots, potatoes, celery, and a bunch of asparagus. I got 5 stalks, so I'm going to cut. That's all good stuff. Red potatoes. I got 3 bags of kale. I'm going to clean all that up. And I got green peppers and onions. And I'm going to do is I'm going to prep all this stuff, and I'll try to get you some shots as it goes in. But this is usually how I cook. I cook a big thing like this, and put it all in containers, and I'll have it during the week. So I used up my other stuff, so I'll try to get you some shots as I go here. Try to put a little video together. A lot of guys have been asking me about the cooking stuff, so I think it's going to all fit in there. Hopefully it does. I don't know if it's going to all fit in the pot, but we're going to give it a shot. So I got all the chicken. Now that chicken's all been cut up already, so it's been cut up and cleaned. I prepped all that before I freezed it. We got the cauliflower and the broccoli, asparagus and potatoes in that pan. We got red and green cabbage, and then on the bottom that's kale. That's all gonna render down when I throw that in. So I'm gonna be throwing that in at the end. So if it won't fit, I'll just give it to the chickens. We got carrots, celery, green peppers, and onions. And then I got, white hominy corn, pink beans, red kidney beans, and black beans. And then I got the what's going to be the base is six containers of stewed tomatoes. I'm going to have to add water too, but we'll get started on it. Going to be a big chooch, mama. Gonna be a big chooch. Alright, a big pan. That's 60 quarts, so that's a big pan. Alright, I'm gonna start off with the stewed tomatoes. Alright, and I'm gonna put in there is the green peppers, carrots, celery, and onions. I'm gonna dump that right in there. Next, I'm gonna dump in the cauliflower, broccoli, asparagus, and red potatoes. Stewed tomatoes. Stewed tomatoes. Stewed tomatoes. Next, I'm gonna do is put all the chicken right in there next. Man, dear. Gonna need some water in there. It's gonna be one hell of a chooch, mama. Gonna be one hell of a chooch. Going in. Red beans going in. Black beans going in. Pink beans going in. That's one big panella of food right there. Throw a cabbage in there. Man, dear. I'll just cover this with water, and at the end I'll throw the kale in at the end. Some water in there. gonna be one big panella. Some more water in there. Got a big ass spoon here for stirring it. After it cooks for a while, I'll have to stir it. And let it cook for a while. And that's one big pot. That's one big pot of food. All I can say. Need some more water. Can't forget the garlic now, can we? Alright, that should be good with the water. Can't forget the garlic. And the crushed red peppers. I'll kick it up a little bit. Give it a little spice. We'll throw some of this in there. This is all going to render down this kale. Just let it go for a while and see what happens. Does it all fit in the pan? That's going to render down, but it's a full pot there. We're going to let it chooch for a while. We'll let it chooch. You see, got a nice big base. This pan's got a nice big base, so nothing's going to burn. I got my I'll stir it in a little while. I could always add rice pilaf at the end if I wanna. If I got too much water in there or something. A couple of boxes at the end, and gonna be a nice big panella of food. And I'm gonna do a whole bunch of freezing on it. You know, I'll put it in all containers and freeze it, and then I can just take it out as I need it. I got about 4 gallons of stuff here. I'll grind this up through the food processor for the chickens in the morning. It's got a long unit here, Mama. Just keep it cooking. It's gonna take a while to cook it all. The big panella. The big panella. Give the old Gandhi, Mama. Give the old Gandhi. Smell the goodness. It's been a couple hours. It's a big pot, so I'm gonna have to go for a while. Smell the goodness, Mama. Smell the goodness. go a little bit longer. It's a nice long spoon so I could, you know, scrape the bottom. Turn it down to a slow chooch. Alright guys, 4 hours. Smell the goodness. Smell the goodness. It's all healthy eating right there, guys. It's all healthy eating right there. Make a bunch of meals for me, and that's good. Carrots are done. Chicken's done. Potatoes are done. Good to go. Alright, let's give it a taste test. Yum! Alright guys, that's good eating right there. Know I'm going with this plate. Next level. Next level.